Did you know you can create meaningful milestone videos like this one in minutes with AI?
You were born in a blizzard when the world was quiet and white.
And this one. To do this even just a year ago, you would have needed a PhD in cinematography and an editing software that costs thousands of dollars. But now, with tools like PIKA, anyone can generate professional-looking milestone videos in just a few steps. Let me show you. First, create a folder on your computer for the source images that you want to use. These will be the pictures of the person that you're creating the video for. You'll want to rename the image files by age or theme so the AI transitions are accurate. Here's what I mean. This is a picture of my daughter 2 days after she was born. So I'll label this image newborn 1 since it will come before this next one, which I'll label newborn 2. This file naming step makes it much easier once you're creating the transitions inside PIKA Labs. Okay, open PIKA Labs. I've included the link below and navigate to PIKA Frames. This is where we'll add our pictures and it will create the transition animations for us. You can add multiple pictures or frames in one session, but sometimes it gets glitchy, so I recommend running only 3 photos at a time. You also have the option to add a description for the transition, but I've found that leaving the prompt blank works best for milestone or progressive growth videos. I also recommend changing the transition duration to 3 seconds instead of 5. Now here's the trick. When you add your subsequent group of photos, you'll want to start with the last picture from the previous step. This will create one fluid movement through the person's ages or the type of transformation that you're showcasing in your video. Once you have all of your PIKA frames finished, download each video segment and add a number in the file name so that you know how to order these clips in the next step. Then import those into a video editor of your choice. I'll use CapCut for this demonstration, but I also love Descript. I've included links for both tools below. We'll drag these into the timeline, and now all that's left to do is layer in music and any sound effects that you'd like. Wondershare UniConverter. It's your all-in-one toolbox to enhance, clean, and convert AI-generated videos and images at scale. Instead of juggling 5 different apps, you can upgrade quality, remove distractions, and fix formats in one place. Let's start with AI images. The concepts are great, but the details are soft, noisy, and just not post-ready. And you don't have time to open every single file and tweak it by hand. Here's where UniConverter's AI image enhancer with advanced model comes into play. Step 1, just drag and drop your images in batches into UniConverter. Step 2, choose the advanced model, then click Preview to see the upgrade instantly. Watch how the details snap into focus. You'll see sharper eyes, cleaner skin, and clearer textures without destroying the style of your AI content. Then step 3, export all of your enhanced images in one click. Ready for thumbnails, ads, and client work. Now let's talk about AI video. Maybe your generated clip looks fine on your phone, but as soon as you upload or play it on a bigger screen, every flaw pops out. And if you're creating content for YouTube, this is a big problem, since more than 50% of YouTube's content is now viewed on actual televisions. UniConverter has a special video upgrade tool that fixes blurry details and cleans up messy-looking video artifacts. I was impressed with the output. Step 1, drag and drop your clip into the video enhancer. Step 2, select the generative enhancement mode, then hit preview to see what it can really do. On one side, you've got the original. On the other, you've got the upgraded version. You'll notice cleaner edges, restored textures, and smoother motion. It's perfect for AI-generated shorts, talking avatars, and low-res clips you still want to use in a serious project. Then, just like before, export your enhanced video and drop it straight into your edits, ads, or social posts. Of course, quality isn't the only issue. A lot of AI assets come with watermarks, odd resolutions, and formats that your editor simply hates. UniConverter helps you clean and convert them in batches as well. You can load in a whole batch of images and videos with watermarks. Quickly mark the watermark area once, click preview, and watch it disappear. Then you can export everything in the formats you actually need. Optimized images, MP4 videos, and more, without juggling a bunch of different apps. So in a single workflow, you can sharpen soft AI images, upgrade low-res AI videos, remove watermarks, and convert everything into creator-friendly formats. And at the core of everything is the same simple pattern: drag, drop, preview, and export. If you're serious about AI-generated visuals, don't settle for good enough. Give your AI images and videos a true upgrade with Wondershare UniConverter 17. To learn more and try it for yourself, head over to videoconverter.wondershare.com. Download UniConverter 17 and start transforming your AI content today. Thank you, Wondershare, for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you'd like to add a fun twist to your milestone video, as I did for my daughter's 10th birthday video, you can use Freepik Spaces to create AI images of what the person might look like as they grow up. It's super fun and the kids love it. Let me show you. I've included the link for Freepik Spaces below. This tool is amazing because it lets you batch create images and videos. You get to choose from all of the image generators and all of the video generators like Nana Banana Pro, Seed Dance, Minimax, all of them. You get them here for just one price and you can start for free. I love this tool. It's made content creation so much easier. So the first thing I'll do is create a space. So go ahead and click Spaces right here, and then New Space, and that opens this window. From here, you'll click Media and you'll upload the starting image or reference image. You can see it has all of these past ones because I used Freepik to generate them when I created her video. And I even used it to create some movies, to turn still images into actual video footage, which is really easy to do. So upload the image I want to use of her to create older versions of that. Basically, you'll find the oldest version of her, age 10. It's here. Add media. You can drag things around the space or the canvas. Now that I have this, I'm going to right click anywhere in the space and then select image generator. On the bottom, choose how many generations we want. Let's set it to 2. You click here to select the AI model that you want to use to generate. What you'll want to do now is click this little node on your reference image and connect it to the one that we want to generate, and then describe the changes. So I click in here and I'll say an image of this person, only she's in college at University of Miami as a senior college student who just graduated. And then click the play button to run that process. It's going to create 2 versions of that for me, and then we can go into creating the other one. She looks to be the same age. So we'll click in here and we'll ask it to rerun, but age her. So she's 10 years older and she's in college. But it did get the University of Miami colors right and the palm trees, so pretty good. I enjoy this part of the process because you get to be creative with your prompts and how you approach it so that you get the images that you want. Okay, awesome. And I like that it changed her shoe color to black. Cool. So we could end up using this version. Then you would just click export and it downloads it to your downloads folder. And then you'll re-import that into PIKA Labs. Now that I have AI images of her at older ages, I can run those through PIKA Frames to complete the sequence. I'll then pull these into CapCut as well and add them to the timeline. Pro tip, Suno is a fun option if you want to create a custom soundtrack to go with your video. You can even add your own lyrics or style, and Suno's free. CapCut also has thousands of sound effects, so you can layer these in for emotional emphasis. The final product should look something like this.
You were born in a blizzard when the world